Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dágas. Dágas. The Hiligaynon word dágas means to gather fruit with pole and hook or to hook and shake down fruit. The kalawit is mostly used for the purpose which in plucking mangoes, etc. that might be injured in falling, and it has a little sack or bag dawin attached into which the fruit drops. Dágas. Dágas. Here are some example sentences for the Hiligaynon word dágas. Dagasa ang mga paho. Pluck the mangoes with pole and hook. So a paho is a mango. Mga is added to make the noun plural, mga paho, mangoes. So dagasa ang mga paho. Dinagas niya ang duldol. He or she collected the pods from the cotton tree with pole and hook. Dinagas niya ang duldol. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, dágas. Dágas. Madam ugid nga salamat. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye!